Konnichiwa, minasan. Kisa desu. Okay, I'm not going to do the whole video in Japanese, mainly because I can't. My Japanese, like I've said before, is very rusty. You can also tell I changed locations. We're sitting in my kitchen and stuff. I thought this was a slightly better alternative to sitting on my bed and doing unboxing videos. So there you go. Now today I have another TokyoTreat box. They contacted me and asked if I wanted to review another TokyoTreat box, and of course I do. So here we go. We're just going to do this super fast. Well, not super fast. We're gonna open it up and see what goodies we've got this month. I'm gonna drop it and then slice myself open with my X-Acto knife. Because that's all you want to see on camera is me cut myself. No. Da 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 da. Chips. Right off the bat. Chips. That's okay. I like chips. As always, TokyoTreat comes with a little magazine, volume 4, April 2016. Did I get an April one? Okay, I got an April one. So we'll have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 items, if I counted them right. So this little catalog will tell me everything that is in the box. Sorry, I probably should have thought about my direction a little better. My house's layout isn't the best. So I'm gonna prop this up here. What are we looking at? The first one. Okay, this is the first item. It is the Caramucho hot chili flavored chips. Now Var really likes the hot chips in general, especially the Japanese ones. He and I both really love. And then there's a kitty. We both really love Flaming Hot Cheetos. So let's try the Caramucho hot chili chips. Oh, they don't smell super hot. I'll let you see them. There's also not a lot in there. There's so much bag. But they were well protected. So a nice orange color. It looks darker on the camera than it really is. Oh, I like those. You know, I think I like these better than Flaming Hot Cheetos even. Oh. Mmm. I'm not sharing these ones. They're that good, I'm not sharing. Okay. Set that over there. Next item is from Calbee. These are barbecue flavored Sapporo potato snacks. Kind of look almost like they're supposed to be like waffle fries. Kitties, you cannot have. Waffly. These are so good. I'm so happy because this is stuff that I didn't find at any of the Asian or Japanese stores I went to in California, and I didn't find any of them when I went to Seattle, the Seattle area, and went to a bunch of Asian and Japanese stores. And I'm excited because they're so yummy. I just want to sit here and eat them all right now, but we're not. We will refrain. This one I'm not going to try because it's a cup noodle, but it's not the kind of ramen cup noodle that you're thinking it is. This is a Baby Star Bonito Kelp Udon. So, delicious noodle meal is a cup ramen style dried dish, except for it is udon noodles, so they are thicker. Those don't look like actual udon noodles, but maybe the freeze-dried ones. I love the little cup, and this would be a perfect little meal. I bet you Rissy would like it. Add boiling water, sit for 5 minutes, and then a few more to cool. So that's cool. They give me a little meal type thing. I will see. Rissy and I will have to try this on camera for you guys sometime. What do we have next? Look at how big it is. Big. This is the chocolate monaka. It is a traditional candy bar of Japan called the monaka. It's something we can all enjoy for days to come. They're large bars of crispy and airy vanilla biscuit with dry puffed chocolate filling in the middle. The exquisite texture is memorable and enjoyable, and the flavors are absolutely delicious together. So is it, I don't know, it doesn't look like a Kit Kat wafer. It looks like crispy stuff in the chocolate, or it's just puffed chocolate filling. I can't read the ingredients because there's kanji, and I suck at remembering kanji. Oh, it already broke off a couple of pieces for me. So, got little wafer bits. I'll just break off one piece, and I will give it a shot. They kind of look like they want to come apart. See? Okay. We'll give it a try. I don't know what the crunchy bits are inside the chocolate. Can you see? There's crunchy bits. Kind of. Maybe that is puffed rice. I like it though. I actually kind of like the chips better. And I've got 4 pieces left, so I can let some of the kids try. I'll give the baby something else. Sorry, I have to eat it. It's good. So excited, guys. There's so much in here. And there's something special that I'm not going to show you guys until I get there, but I'm super excited over it. Alright. So, these are, I think they're like Japanese pop rocks. These are Meiji's. This has Mesa, not Meiji. Plum flavor Pati-chan. The yummy flavor of crisp plum gets off a bitter and sweet vibe for these crunchy morsels. As you eat the snack, you'll begin to feel the bits crackling inside of your mouth. So basically, yeah, they are umeboshi, I think. The plum flavored pop rocks. So, okay, sure, why not? We'll go for it. They're not a frightening color, just pinkish. Ugh. Oh my god, I don't like the flavor at all. Ew. Oh, it's salty. It's salty. It's had a bitter and sweet vibe. They're just salty, and then you get a little bit of sweet at the end, but they are so insanely salty. Oh. No! I expected bitter. And it was like, oh. Oh. No! I'm not, these are so bad. And I don't have water or anything over here. Oh. Oh. Okay, quickly. All right. So we have a special item. They call it a special item. This is a Doraemon or Hello Kitty purse. It's actually both. It's a cute little Doraemon Hello Kitty collab. Coin purse. Hello Kitty bows. And then Doraemon and Hello Kitty peeking out. Very cute. I don't usually keep a coin purse, but when I do have change, it just sort of like gets everywhere. So this will be good for my purse. I like that. It's cute. Thank you. Domo arigatou gozaimasu. I'm gonna put that away. Alright, let's do a snacky. Try to get that taste out of my mouth. Oh, that's gonna haunt me. Oh, I've had this one before. This is a chocolate flour and green tea flavored mochi DIY kit. Basically, it comes with these little pieces of mochi. You add water on top, then you put chocolate sauce on top, and then you dip it in the mochi powder. Sissy actually likes this. I'm not a huge matcha green tea fan, but Sissy is, so I'm just going to give that to her. So that's cool. Not that one. Sure, why not? This is Baby Star Yakisoba sauce flavor. So these are dried and flavored yakisoba noodles, baked yakisoba noodles. Dried and baked yakisoba noodles for you to snack on. So it says to enjoy the traditional flavors of Japanese yakisoba in a crunchy snack. The authentic Japanese flavors are a favorite among young and old alike. Now the first time I actually ever tried yakisoba, I was like, oh, what? The flavor was so very gingery. But now I actually really like it. So, let's see if we'll like these. You see them, just little noodlies. Noodlies. Mmm. Makes me want to make yakisoba for dinner, although I did that last week, so. My freaking wig is like flipping out. I like those. I think I like the spicy ones. I like all the chippy type things today. A lot. Sorry. I am washing away the taste of the umeboshi patichan. No. And I'm dropping them too. Doesn't matter where I'm sitting. I'm just gonna drop stuff all over myself. What do we have next? This looks like an Easter thing. They are carrot chopped rice cake. So they say that these mini rice cakes are a yummy concoction of dried and baked perfection, crunchy and authentically made in the arare. Prepared Japanese rice cakes are light and crunchy without too much extra flavors. Covered in an adorable carrot-shaped wrapper, this cute and crunchy snack will make a lasting impression for all. I wouldn't say they're a rice cake because they're just puffed rice. Shoot. I can't open it. We are having technical difficulties. Please stand by. Yeah, they're just puffy rice. Puffy, puffy rice, rice. Ooh. They're kind of sweet. They remind me of that. There's a puffed rice cereal. Not like Rice Krispies. No, they remind me of Honey Smacks, but that's not rice, but it's good. Oh. Oh. Mmm. I like that. I really do. That one gets another thumbs up. For me, sorry, I'm going to try to put the little sticker tie back on. What do we have? Something from Morinaga. Ramune candy! It's raw Ramune candy. Do you know Ramune? It's an extremely popular soda drink in Japan. This delicious candy is Ramune flavor. If you cool it and freeze it in the refrigerator, the taste and texture will change. I can freeze them, although I wouldn't freeze them in the refrigerator. I freeze it in the freezer, but I can cool it in the refrigerator. The taste and texture will change. Well, we're gonna open it now. Oh, I love how the Ramune candy smells. They do look like little ice cubes though. Do you see that? And what? They're so squishable. That's weird. It's not terrible, but it's not like a gum. It just sort of dissolves when you're chewing it. I'm gonna try it cooled and frozen later, not right now. Cookie, sweetheart. It's your kitty cat. It's my cookie cat. Come on. Who's your baby? No, no, no. Don't knock stuff over, please. No, I love you too. I need to read that though. Come here. Come here. Ooh, it's a cookie. Oh! Ah! I'll just have him behind. It's okay. What do we have next? Crunchy Panda 2. Z for the Zagu Zagu or Crunch Crunch feeling. Oh, it's Crunchy Panda Z. I read it wrong. It's not a 2. It's Z. Z for the Zagu Zagu or Crunch Crunch you feel when you eat a mouthful of these crunchy pandas. They're chocolate. Recent recipe has a more bitter chocolate taste, so you won't experience any kind of sweetness overload and still get your enjoyment in. I love the packaging for Japanese candy so much better than our packaging. Step it up, America. So you open it, and you can reseal it, at least the box. See how cute? It's even cute all the way in there. Open you up. Oh, I love pandas. Their faces on both sides. These ones are stuck together. I like these better than the other version that I tried. Yeah. 2 thumbs way up. Yes, I love it. Fantastic. I'm gonna seal those up. Let the kids try some. Whoop, whoop. I've actually had this one before, but I haven't had it in years because it's not that easy for me to get. Like even in California or Seattle, I could not find puka. So these are, they say they're a brown biscuit, but I always thought they were a pretzel with chocolate. Well, these ones have chocolate inside, and I love chocolate. So it's kind of like Hello Panda type thing, except for I think the biscuit is a little nicer. So, let's go ahead and open these for you. Again, a cool side opening package. Oh, and I tell you about the various shapes. Darn you, katakana. Okay. Magic cut. Okay. The puku. Puka, not puku. So we've got a little octopusy guy. Woo! See, I would definitely say it's more of a pretzel-y type thing. He's got chocolate coming out of him. I think it's been about 10 or more years since I've had these. They're so good though. What are you looking at? Kitten is over there, the oldest. What do we have next? We actually have some Koalas March, but this is a seasonal custard pudding flavor. It looks like flan. Is that flan? 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 What do we call it? We don't know. So we'll just open it up. Cute packaging inside and out, yo. Save the Koala, Australian Koala Foundation. I wonder if, like, if you purchase these, they give money to the Australian Koala Foundation. Lighter color biscuits than the puka, I keep calling it puku, and they have cute printed koalas. Ah, let's try it. Would you like to be on camera? Ooh. You want to try this?
What is it?
It's umeboshi flavored pot rocks.
It's what flavor?
Umeboshi, the pickled plum stuff.
That sounds nasty.
I'll be terrible. Okay, you have to be like where we can see you on the camera.
Okay.
Try some. I tried like this whole handful.
No thanks.
Is it awful?
No thank you.
Here. See, she has water. She's lucky. I was not so lucky. Try
What's
this.
that?
It is a Koala March. It's flan flavored. Custard pudding flavored.
Oh.
Nom 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 nom. Don't like it?
I had hair in my eye.
It's not too bad. It's a little caramelized. I think that's the top of the flan. Ooh, I've got some other things you can try. You like cremuni. I'm not sure if you'll like this texture.
What is it?
It's a little candy. You can freeze them or put them in the fridge and it changes the taste and texture, but you're just going to have one straight out of the package like me. Look.
Ew.
It's kind of weird. Not so sure. No, did not want.
Let's see what else. Oh, here.
Cat will try the chocolate monaka. It's a wafer with chocolate and crispy stuff inside.
Oh, that's not bad.
I like their flavors. They're not like overpowering unless it's those awful pop rocks. Awfulness. What do you think?
It's not bad.
Yeah, that's not bad. Oh, you want a chocolate panda face? You don't want to finish it? Oh. That is crunchy. This is Crunchy Panda Z. For the Zagu Zagu. Or Crunch Crunch. You will hear when you eat them. Panda faces!
Why do I gotta eat a panda face?
Because cute is where it's at, man.
Ow.
Ow.
I hit myself in the nose with it.
You take like dainty bites and I'm like shoving it in my face.
I don't like that very much. That chocolate's kind of weird. It tastes a little like dark chocolate.
It's Japanese bitter chocolate.
Oh.
That's okay.
I don't like bitter chocolate.
That's okay. I think I'm running out of things to... Oh, I've got the last thing after this. Excited! Okay. Wasabi grilled seaweed. I'm not sure if I like this.
It's probably spicy.
Wasabi and I are not the best of friends. This says that the packaging is themed after Kabuki Theater and its companies of actors. I don't mind seaweed, but Var likes it more as a snack than I do. Oh, they're very small. I thought they'd be bigger. They're small. Oh. Oh. There's the wasabi. It's okay. No, I'm not a huge wasabi fan. It wasn't that bad. It wasn't that bad. Okay. Okay, guys. And last but not least, Pepsi freaking Sakura. Sakura Pepsi. So, this is the combination of Sakura Blossom cherries paired with the well-known taste of Pepsi. Then it is a wonderful limited edition beverage. This is so hard to get. If you are lucky to get this here in America, then you probably paid a lot, or you were just in some place that managed to get it. They didn't have it in Seattle. They don't have it around here because I can barely get any of this. I can't get any of these. Maybe. Ooh, maybe the udon cup. I'm not sure. I don't think I've seen that exact one. But freaking Sakura Pepsi. So, we get a cup with ice. It's pink. It's pink Pepsi. Look at this. I didn't even realize that there was pink soda with my pink wig. Yes. But now we're going to get a cup of ice because I don't like drinks warm. Oh my god, it's pink Pepsi. I just need to keep the bottle. Even after I drink it, I have to keep the bottle because it's so cute. Okay. Oh my god. Oh, it just smells just like Pepsi. It's so weird. Look at that. Ah! And it's still Pepsi. Okay. I'll let it get a little cold. Are you going to try it? You're going to try it? Yeah. Okay. I'm excited. Can you tell? Excited. Okay. Oh, it's just kind of like a cherry Pepsi. Oh my god, I love that. Oh my god. Isn't it a little vanilla-y, a bit cherry?
It's kind of weird because I expected it to taste like Alpico.
Right, and then it doesn't.
Yeah.
Oh my god, that's so good. Do you want more? Here. Ta-da! For you. I'm so excited. That is so good. I'm going to have to find a way to get more of this. Although I'm not a huge soda drinker. Oh my god. I wonder if Sis would love this. Oh, hi, Sis. Speaking of, you can sort of see some of Bear right here. There.
I've been down here for like 30 minutes or something.
Have you really?
Yeah.
Oh, I am so observant. What do you think? Is it yummy? You want it all? Yeah?
It tastes like red Mountain Dew.
That's amazing. Ah, thank you so much for the Sakura Pepsi and everything. I mean, so much of this is just freaking awesome. I think that this is the best Tokyo Treat box I've gotten out of the 3 that have come my way. Cat is stealing more Sakura Pepsi. Alright, well thank you guys so much for watching this unboxing video. Please press the subscribe button below to subscribe to my channel. I do unboxing videos as I have stuff to unbox, and we can try some more awesome snacks together. Thanks guys, bye! Sayonara!